You still don't want it? There you go. Go commit crimes. No, not that one. Not that one.
I was relieved that it was just a babby. That's when I takes closer look and realize, fat babby.
Look at my baby. Look at my baby. Oh my god, she's so baby. Oh my god.
I've been roaming around, always looking down.
No! Stop it! No! Murphy, stop! Stop!
After all this time, the thief was finally caught.
He always pretends that he doesn't like it.
I understand that's your girlfriend. I understand, but you have to leave her alone.